In the year 1949, the age of steel, engines, and boundless ambition, mankind once again defied the limits of gravity. From the hangars of Britain emerged a new giant of the skies, a 130-ton Colossus destined to rewrite the rules of flight. Forged from the dreams of aviation pioneers, this behemoth was more than just an aircraft. It was a flying fortress of innovation. Piece by piece, engineers labored for months, crafting what many believed was impossible, a machine larger than any that had ever flown. Underneath its massive wings lay the heart of a giant, for powerful piston engines, each capable of producing thousands of horsepower. Together, they promised to lift 130 tons of metal, fuel, and human courage into the open skies. On a crisp morning in 1949, a crowd gathered at the airfield. Pilots, engineers, and dreamers alike held their breath. Would this metal giant truly take flight? Or would gravity prove a stronger foe? Engines thundered to life, propellers slicing through the air like blades of destiny. Slowly, majestically, the Colossus gained speed. And then, history was made. The 130-ton marvel lifted gracefully into the skies, the largest and heaviest aircraft ever to do so. High above the earth, it flew steady and proud, its wings stretched wide, carrying not only its weight, but the hopes of an entire generation of engineers who believed that the future of flight knew no limits. Minutes felt like hours, until at last, wheels kissed the runway once more. Cheers broke out across the airfield. The Colossus had conquered the sky, from blueprint to sky, from doubt to triumph. The 130-ton Colossus proved that mankind's reach would forever extend beyond the clouds, a symbol of power, progress, and the unshakable will to fly.